Hello guys, today we will see the data scraping. So before moving to activity, first let me tell you what is data scraping. Data scraping is nothing but we can extract the structured information or a particular information from the web and save it into the Excel or CSV file. That is nothing but the data scraping. So today we are going to extract the information from the Flipkart website. Okay, so today in this flow we are going to search a particular mobile on Flipkart, and after searching the Flipkart it will give some result. So we are scraping all the results and save it into one Excel or CSV file. So let me show you how we are doing manually first. So we are going to Flipkart website. Here I'm typing the iPhone. So I'm getting these results. So I'm going to save this name and the price into my Excel. So let's see the diagram. First activity, we are going to a website, then we will search with a mobile name, we will scrap the data and write it into Excel. So this is the flow. So let's start with the UI path. So here I'm creating a new process. So let's start with my main file. So what is our first process? Open a Flipkart website. So for opening a website, we will check open browser activity. I'll drag and drop here. Here you have to insert any Flipkart URL. So copy the Flipkart URL, paste it in double quotes because it is in string format. So our second step is search with a specific mobile name. Okay, so we are putting here mobile name. So for that, we will take a type into activity for writing there. I will click here. I'll indicate and directly I will pass that is iPhone 11. And after entering we will hit an enter. So let's use the keyboard shortcut, that is enter. So let enter. So now what we have to do, I have to search the mobile, that is iPhone. It give me some result. So these information I have to extract and put it into Excel. So for that we will use now the data scraping. So we have the option data scraping, so I'll click there. So it will give me one window. So if you can see here, we have to opening the browser at the background. Okay, after that we will click on next. So which field we want? I want the name field. I'll click here. Also you have to do the second time same, so it will do iteratively. So I will, if you see here, if you want to extract the URL of this, then you can click just, so you can click on the extract URL and put it next. So if you see here, now we are getting all the information regarding the phone. So also I want the price also. So for that I will click on the extract correlated data. So I will click on next, same. I'll click here on amount. Okay, again it will ask for URL. I don't want the URL, only the text. So next, if you see here, now we are getting the name and price. Okay, so how many results you want, here you can specify. So now we want all, so for that we will directly put 0. Okay, so after that finish. So it will ask that if you want to go to next page or not. So if you want to click on next page, here if you see next, then it will go page 2, page 3, page 4. If you don't want to go to next page, then simply say no, I want to indicate. So I will click on S, next. So yes, our data scraping is done. So now you can see here it is automatically creating one output, data table output, that is extract data table. So now we are going to save this data into our Excel. So for that we have to take the Excel application scope. I'll drag and drop here. Here we have to put the path. So let's click here. So I'll create one folder that is output, and here I want that Excel. So I will copy this path and paste it in double quotes. So after that, I want the reviews of mobile, so I will give iPhone 11 dot xlsx. So it will create the file name iPhone 11 with extension xlsx. So for writing the range, we will take a write range, we will drag and drop that activity, so in which sheet you want to write, and with the starting cell. So here we have to put a data table. So as you can see now, automatically after scrapping, it is generating one data table output. So we will directly take that variable and we will pass here, that is extract data table, simply. And after completing process, we will simply display a message box, that is process completed. So let's run this process. So yes, our process get completed. So let's see the output file. Here is Excel created, and if you see now, we got all the results, 74 results from 4 pages. So thank you guys.